Hello everyone! Welcome back to Delicious Cravings, your go-to channel for mouth-watering recipes and culinary adventures. Today ay tuturuan ko kayong gumawa ng delicious ham and egg spread. Let's get cooking! Simulan natin sa pagpapakulo ng 4 eggs. Kailangan is hard-boil ito and then let them cook, peel, and using a fork to break them into small pieces. And then the other ingredients are of course in this recipe. Alright, so let's cut the onion together with the spring onion. And gumamit pala ako ng 2 cooked sliced ham for this recipe. Gawain lang siya na maliliit kagaya ng nasa video. Now let's put them all together into the bowl. And then for the mayonnaise, gumamit ako ng Best Food brand. And then it is 220 ml or 1 cup of mayonnaise. Now let's add the seasonings, salt and pepper. And then I squeeze 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to make it more tasty. And then let's them mix all together until everything is well combined. Now for the bread, of course you can choose any bread, whether wheat bread or white bread. And then let's slice the cucumber into thin pieces. Now you can easily make your own healthy and delicious snacks on the go. Spread a generous amount of the ham and egg mixture onto the bread and then added my greens such as cucumber and lettuce. And put sliced cucumbers on top of my bread to make it more pleasant. And then I use toothpick to hold the sandwich together. Here at Delicious Cravings, it's all about spreading love and happiness through food. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty creations. Thank you for watching. No hate, just love.